name is Cindy. Let's learn English together. In today's lesson, we will be learning all about pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that can replace the noun in a sentence. They are simple substitutes for the nouns in the sentence. In order to learn more about pronouns, we have to review what we learned about nouns. So what do you remember about nouns? Great. Nouns name people, places, animals, or even ideas in a sentence. So in today's lesson, we were going to see how we can use pronouns to replace the nouns in a sentence. So when we have pronouns, instead of naming specific people, right, or specific places, specific animals in a sentence, we can choose to use a pronoun to make the sentence more simpler. An example of that would be a sentence like, Sally eats ice cream. What is the noun in that sentence? The noun in that sentence is Sally, but we also have another one, and that's ice cream. That's right. Sally eats ice cream. The nouns are Sally and ice cream. So instead of saying Sally, we can use the pronoun she. She eats ice cream. We can also change ice cream into a pronoun as well. We have the pronoun it that can be used to replace ice cream. So our new sentence would read, she eats it. Do you notice how we still were able to convey our message of Sally eating ice cream, but we did it in a much more simpler form where we're using pronouns, she eats it. Pronouns can be singular and they can also be plural. When we hear the word singular, we hear a word in there, single. Do you guys know what singular means or single means? That's right, single means one, right? So we're using a singular pronoun, one, when we're talking about one person or one item, one noun, right? That represents one object. So we can use some singular pronouns such as he, she, it, I, or even you to talk about singular pronouns that we would like to replace in a sentence, right? So we have a noun that's singular, we can replace it with the singular pronoun. Plural, on the other hand, stands for more than one, right? I know plural is a cognate in some languages, so you can hear it said, you can hear the similar sound of the word in another language. Like I know in French, they say pluriel, right? And so it sounds similar in English, plural, which stands for more than one. So there are pronouns that stand for more than one. These pronouns can be they, we, and you is a tricky one because you is also used as a plural pronoun. So we're going to try an example together and see if you guys can help me figure out how would we replace the noun in the sentence with the pronoun. So here we go. Tom is taking a hike. What is the noun in that sentence? That's right. The noun in this sentence is Tom, right? Tom. What can we replace Tom with? Which pronoun can we replace Tom with? So we can use the pronoun he. So look at how this sentence changes. He is taking a hike. In English, we typically use the pronoun he for men or boys and the pronoun she for women or girls. So we can use these pronouns to help replace the nouns in a sentence. Let's try another one together, guys. So in this picture, we have James and Josh discussed the game. Which pronoun can we use to replace these nouns in the sentence? That's right. We will use they. They discussed the game. We're using they here, right? Because it's more than one. This is a plural. This is an example of a plural pronoun, and we would use a plural pronoun to replace that. So I hope you guys enjoyed our lesson today as we learned about pronouns, and I hope you use them to help replace the nouns in your sentences to make your conversations and writing a bit more simpler. Till next time, it was great hanging out with you and learning English together. See you soon.